Hi guys, Honza here. I'm here riding on my AZ Mini with Matt Galat. You know him as JaYoe. And after 14 days working together, I feel like we are friends. And I feel I should do a video as well.
I'm not as fast as you thought.
No, it's the 25 kilos difference.
Yeah. So this is going to be down for a little while, huh?
It's a very fast downhill.
Yeah.
And then we have to climb again.
Good. JaYoe.
He does so many of them that might be interesting for you to do a multi-day trip on bikes with him, and I can share some experience from this trip. It's for both of us, it's been quite some time we have done a trip like this by bikes, unsupported. It's gonna be only 4 days. It's gonna be only about 200 kilometers, so we have enough time for talking to each other, doing some other videos, and we both hope it's gonna be a lot of fun. So we are now climbing over the Carpathian Mountains ridge in between Czechia and Slovakia. That's basically the beginning. We will sleep at the ridge today, so it is quite some climbing today, and I will tell you more after we do some ride.
That incline surprised me. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you fly a drone, ride a trike, land it, pick it up, fold it up, get it in your bag, get it disappeared before the police see, and then you're good to go. Hey, all good. Didn't even have to leave the seat. My rear wheel was slipping. Pass that again?
You don't need to. It was nice.
I wasn't expecting to do another drone flight. But you can't pass up a moment like this. You gotta let her up, see what she sees.
What, she?
Yeah.
Is it she?
I think so. Right now it's a she because I said it. Starting point.
And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Okay guys, riding with Matt, day 2. Today's topic is Matt flying drone. I mean, it is amazing. He can fly the drone at any time, anywhere, within few seconds. Well, it's about a minute. Even riding down the trike, cruising at 20 or 30 miles per hour, you know, on a bumpy road, and still he can fly it. He can capture different angles, and that is what makes his drone shots very unique, unlike any other recumbent drone shots you have ever seen, probably. I told him at one moment, like, there are cars approaching us from the backward, and he was like, yeah, I see them in the drone. So it is very easy for him. And it's not disturbing while you ride with him. It's it is not like, wait here, I have to unpack it, prepare myself, you know, whatever, and it takes ages. It's just getting up, getting down, landing it. Almost don't know as a rider next to him, basically. It is really amazing. It is the end of the day 2. We are now at Čachtice Castle, one of the Slovakian castles we will visit. We hope for having a tent right in the middle of the castle that I get used to do 15 years ago, but the castle is closed now, or there is a gate that is closed, so we will need to find some other spot somewhere. Yeah, but again, it was a beautiful day, and we are in the middle of beautiful Slovakian landscape.
Howdy.
Yeah.
Are we okay?
We? I think so.
I was flying down there.
No.
Yeah. But I lost the drone, it disappeared. My screen went black.
Really?
And I had to cross my fingers so they would come home to me. And it did. He knows who it is. You know who's your boss.
And it's gone, as usually.
good catch.
Yes.
Flew right into my hand. Welcome home, little buddy. Take a nap.
Bumpy one.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And he is gone, as usually. So day 3 riding with Matt. Matt and his cycling. I mean, he has very strong legs, and his bike is extremely heavy. Trike. He has so many things, so many electronic things, starting with electronic toothbrush over all the gimbals, cameras, 2 or 3 iPhones, drone, another camera, whatever stuff, gimbal. So he has to carry it all, including a laptop, also have chargers for that and so on, but still he can be fast, he can keep up very well. He is faster than me on the flat roads or downhill, because of course he is heavier than me. Then when going uphill I'm lighter, so I can catch him and overtake him. But he has also very low cadence, so he's kind of dancing on the trike still with a low cadence. So yeah, it is very interesting. We had some great experience today meeting with locals basically. So yeah, see you tomorrow then. So one last piece about Matt. You are not surprised that he is perfectly organized. After all those years vlogging, traveling, spending time cycling in all the different countries, he knows how to get stuff done and how to capture videos, edit them, publish them in a very interesting way and manner, and he knows what everything he has to do to do that job right. So his way of charging all his devices, you know, storing the files and uploading videos, it is just to spend the time with him. It's all inspirational, and you can get a lot of experience from him. And that's what I have done in the last 4 days, and I hope I will use that inspiration and what he has taught me in my RECUMBENT.news YouTube channel that you are watching now. So that was it. Perfect 5 days with Matt. Matt Galat a la JaYoe. It was JaYoe for sure. And if you are interested in where we have been, what we have seen and what we have enjoyed during those days, just go to his YouTube channel and follow his videos from this trip around Slovakian castles mostly, or ruins. So if you want to see my work, you know that, subscribe, like the little bell, and you will see more recumbent related stuff in the near future. Have a great day, have a recumbent day, and see you next time. Bye.
I am one with nature. I am one with nature. It's staying there? Holy shit.